Jake. What's up?
Hi, Lily. Not much, just enjoying the day. How about you?
Same here. I just got back from the farmer's market.
Nice. Did you find anything good?
Yeah. I got some fresh veggies and a loaf of bread. They had the best tomatoes.
Yum. I love fresh tomatoes. Do you have any plans for them?
I'm thinking of making a salad. Simple but delicious.
Sounds perfect. I might have to come over for dinner.
You're always welcome. What about you? Any fun plans this week?
Just work and maybe a movie night. I've been wanting to catch up on some films.
That sounds nice. What movies are on your list?
A couple of thrillers and that new comedy everyone's talking about.
Sounds like a solid lineup. Let me know if you need a movie buddy.
For sure. I'll keep you posted.